Hello class. Today's topic is transpiration from the chapter Life Processes. Is it wonderful to watch that tall plants getting the water till the end, tip portion of it? How is it possible? It is possible by the process of transpiration. What is transpiration? You know that plant absorbs water from the root surface only. Whatever be the amount of water you are giving, it is being absorbed by the roots only. Then the water moves from roots to the upper portion of the leaf. Now, during that process, a large amount of water is not being used, it is given out. That is called transpiration. In this experiment, we are taking a potted medium-sized plant covered with a polythene bag and another polythene without a water or the plant present inside it. Now, keeping it giving all the conditions properly for the photosynthesis, after an hour we will see that droplets of the water are present inside the polythene bag A, while they were absent in case of the polythene bag B. So where from this water has come in polythene bag A? It is the excess water present in the plant which comes out through the leaf surfaces. So transpiration is actually removal of excess water from the aerial parts of the plant. There are three types of transpiration: stomatal transpiration, lenticular transpiration and cuticular transpiration. The most common way of transpiration is stomatal transpiration because the stomatas are the largest in number. These stomatas are present on the leaf surface. The upper and the lower surface is having the epidermis in which stomatal apertures are present. They are non-cellular apertures or the pore surrounded by the guard cells. The opening and closing of it helps in removal of water. Lenticels are present on the stem and the root portion, although the number of lenticel is less and they are the permanent openings. They do not open on the basis of day and night. Cuticle is present on the upper surface of the leaf. It is a waxy layer which is actually present to reduce the rate of the transpiration so that the transpiration can be controlled in the desert plant or where the scarcity of the water is present. So three types of the transpiration: stomatal, lenticular and cuticular. The root is having the root hairs present which are helping in the absorption of the water. The water is conducted by the xylem vessels to the different parts of the plant. During that time period, two different type of the forces, cohesive forces and adhesive forces, are taking place so that the water can reach to the mesophyll cells of the leaf where large intercellular spaces are present through which the stomatas and from the stomatas finally to the outside. During this process, a suction pressure is being created exactly like that when you drink cold drink with the help of a straw. First you take the air in, and when there is no air or vacuum is created, the cold drink rises up. Same way the transpiration pull or the suction pressure takes the water upward. This experiment will tell you that both the surfaces are not transpiring equally. For example, in case of a dicot plant, if you will take the cobalt chloride paper, is having the characteristic that when it comes in touch with the water, it changes into pink color. Now on both the surface of the leaf, fix that cobalt chloride paper and we'll find that on the upper surface of the leaf, the cobalt chloride paper does not changes, while on the lower surface it changes to the pink color, showing that more of the transpiration is taking place through the lower surface. The purpose of having the transpiration from the lower surface is number 1 to cool the plant, number 2 less exposure to the sunlight, because if too much of the transpiration will be there, the plant will lose the water and will not be able to withstand the heat of the atmosphere. So transpiration is a boon where the excess water is being removed. It gives turgidity to the plants but should be in the controlled manner so that plant can survive in a better way.